Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of East Village's most popular recipes. It's the roasted chicken parmesan. It's keto friendly and you're going to love it. Check it out. So first, I'm gonna start by preparing the chicken fillet. After cleaning up the chicken breasts, you're gonna have remaining chicken that you can use for tenders, for skewers, but of course don't throw them. Once you have the two beautiful pieces, you just you hit it, flatten it up a little bit, and on the shiny part you just score it. This way all the seasoning can go in. So before putting them aside, I'm gonna season them with salt only. Second step, I'm gonna prepare the marinade. In a bowl, I'm gonna put some thyme. You can put as much as you want. It's really up to your taste. I think that would be enough. To that, I'm gonna add 50 grams of labné and 50 grams of mayo. Because mayo contains a lot of oil, and the egg is gonna make like a nice crust on the chicken. And of course, with chicken, garlic. 1 garlic clove, and around 30 grams of grated Parmesan. I'm gonna leave the rest for the end. I'm gonna add a bit of seasoning, black pepper, a little bit of salt, not too much because mayo and Parmesan have lots of salt already, and a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna add to that a little bit of chili. I'm gonna use some togarachi. You can use cayenne or any other you like. Not too much. It's also up to your taste. Voilà. I'm gonna use a cast iron plate. You can use any tray, baking tray you want. I'm gonna put the chicken in there and top it with that mix. This doesn't look great yet, but wait till it gets out of the oven. So I'm gonna put it into preheated oven at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare the asparagus. This dish serves 2 people, so I'm gonna use 4 asparagus. Fresh, obviously, no canned. Only olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's all it takes. Then I'm gonna saute them in a pan 5 minutes before my chicken is ready. Almost 5 minutes left for the chicken, and I'm gonna start doing the asparagus. Over medium heat, with your fry pan and your 4 seasoned asparagus. Now with fresh asparagus, you should never boil them because they lose a lot of their flavors. And never overcook them because you still want them a little bit crunchy. So as soon as you get the nice brown color, means it's ready. Now this is exactly the color you want. It doesn't have to go black, and you don't want to keep it raw. So look for the brown. Now I'm gonna transfer the asparagus into the serving plate. 20 minutes later, and of course, East Village signature some extra Parmesan is always welcome. Let me show you the perfect bite.